And let's get you the first reaction coming in from Home Minister Amit Shah on the massive mandate for the NDA. Home Minister Amit Shah has put out a post on social media. I'm reading from that. He says, and I quote, "Every vote of the people of Bihar is a symbol of faith in the Modi government's policy against infiltrators and their sympathizers who play with India's security and resources. The public is given a befitting reply to those who protect infiltrators for vote bank interests. The people of Bihar have reflected the mood of the entire country. Voter list purification is essential and there's no place for politics against it. That's why the Congress has fallen to the last position in Bihar today." So Home Minister Amit Shah taking a jibe at the Congress, which sits right now at 5. He's saying they're in last position because of the fact that they continue to play politics over SIR. Amit Shah says the people of Bihar have reflected the mood of the entire country, that voter list purification is essential, referring to the special intensive revision. And he says that the Congress is in the last place because they tried to play politics over it. Besides that, the Home Minister also referred to the one issue that the BJP repeatedly spoke of infiltration, particularly in the Simhanchal area with 24 seats. The Simhanchal region, which has always been the RJD Congress bastion, particularly the RJDs, has seen an NDA sweep this time, one of the big surprises in this election. And that's something it looks like the Home Minister is referring to by saying that this is a clear message that's being sent across by the people of Bihar for the Modi government's policy against infiltrators. Piyush Mishra is joining us with more on that. Piyush, very clear message from Home Minister Amit Shah there. He speaks of SIR, he speaks of infiltrators, and he says it's on these two issues that the people of Bihar have given them this mandate. I don't think Piyush can hear me. We're going to connect with him once again for those details. But I will read out for you exactly what Amit Shah has said. Again, very, very important messaging in this particular statement, where he says every vote of the people of Bihar is a symbol of faith in the Modi government's policy against infiltrators and their sympathizers who play with India's security and resources. The people of Bihar have reflected the mood of the entire country, that voter list purification is essential. There's no place for politics against it. That's why the Congress has fallen to the last position in Bihar today. So Home Minister Amit Shah taking a jibe there at Congress's rather poor show in the Bihar election, where they're down to single digits to 4 out of 61 seats that they contested. And he says the reason for this particular mandate for the Congress is because they played politics on SIR, which, by the way, is happening today as well, because you've had several Congress leaders suggest that the reason this kind of a mandate has come in is because of SIR. The other aspect of what the Home Minister has spoken of is an issue that he's spoken of repeatedly in his Bihar campaigns as well, of Ghuspetia, of infiltration, saying that that's one of the biggest issues in Bihar. The NDA, Home Minister Amit Shah repeatedly raising this, said that the BJP will crack down on infiltrators. He's accused the RJD and Congress of constantly backing these infiltrators. And that, he says, was one of the other issues that the people of Bihar have voted on. First statement that's come in from Home Minister Amit Shah right now. He says that this is a reflection of India's mood, of the nation's mood for SIR, for voter list purification, as he put it. Because mind you, this is at a time when you're seeing a pan-India SIR exercise that's also kicked off. The EC has also highlighted how there weren't any objections raised after SIR was done. And so while you've seen a whole lot of politics over it, including comments that have come in from the Congress even today, suggesting that over 60 lakh voters being removed is what's led to this kind of a mandate for the NDA. Amit Shah says it's exactly that politics that's led to this kind of a mandate for the people, for the NDA, from the people of Bihar. The BJP, of course, is celebrating this landslide win. In just about 90 minutes from now, you will have Prime Minister Modi also speaking at the BJP headquarters in the national capital, where he is no doubt going to be hailing this massive mandate for the double-engine Sarkar, for the Nitish Modi combo, the NEMO, as we're referring to it. And so that exactly is what Home Minister Amit Shah is also referring to, saying that this is a big approval tick. This is a mark and a nod of approval for the NDA's stand against infiltration, for their policy against infiltrators, and as he says, those who back these infiltrators as well. He's also referred to the Congress being in last position, saying under Rahul Gandhi's leadership. So a clear message there that the Home Minister is intending to send across, that this is another red mark in Rahul Gandhi's track record. So Home Minister Amit Shah saying that under Rahul Gandhi's leadership, the Congress is now in last place in Bihar because they've chosen to play politics over SIR.